we like to go inside out. We like to go into the meanings and transform the physiological experience through changing meaning. Is probably one of the most powerful ways. NLP likes to go the other way. NLP likes to start at the physiological experience, anchor that in the physical being, in the physical body, and then bring the anchor as a resource state to an event. But we personally like to go the other way because meaning drives performance.
Yeah, I love that. I love that. And specifically around confidence, Jay, you know, everyone that I work with, all of my clients, everybody wants more confidence. Like, I want to be more confident on stage in the boardroom when I'm speaking. But actually, if we look at that, like, what is confidence? Because it's not just a state. It's not just a mind, body, and emotion. Yes, I'm feeling confident. What is that? It's quite a complex thing.